Okay guys, so this is it.
Hi guys, this is the episode day 27.
Yes.
Me and my friend play Sons of the Forest together. Now we found a camp and we've killed some deer. And night we.
Okay, so now we are gonna get home.
Do we try and get it to base?
Yes. Oh hell. Just jump. Okay, that was unexpected. She jumped a little too far. Jumped way farther than actually. Bro, do you want me to wait for you?
Yes, base.
I can see that you are close, bro. Bro, where are you? You are way further than me. Because you didn't took the road. You took the bushes. Hell yeah, bro. Where do we put this?
I put it there. I double jump.
Bro, do they despawn?
Bro, where did our door go?
I don't know.
Bro, stop jump. Bro. Put one skin there. Put one skin here.
Make it gold, bro.
I don't have any. Oh, first couch is done. Oh
Can
my
you make
god.
the door gold?
I can't. What do you not understand? I don't have any. You make it gold. Bro, what's wrong with this door, bro?
Because you're fucking.
Okay, now try it. Because I already did that. See, it's still broken. Why is it so small? See? Just don't randomly.
Oh. So should we never? Should we just don't make a door?
Just put the door away. I don't care, bro. It's Loki uglier. It's like that.
Yeah. It's better like this. I need some sticks. Picks.
Wow, I put one.
Dick picks.
Yo, put the bones. Put the bones.
Oh yes. I don't have that many.
Bro, what the hell?
We still need some.
Bro, we need 2 more.
No fucking.
And we need 2 more skulls after that.
I have school.
Just spam jump. It's usually hard.
It doesn't work.
Try to get out like normally. Just yes, like that. It usually takes a while.
So
We need
where
two
do
more.
we go to?
We need 2 more bones and we need 2 more skulls.
Where do we go? I have. Yeah, we need 2 more skulls. Do we wait to get raided by someone?
Or do we go? Or do we just try to? You know what? Let's just go to get some more deer skin and we go and we try to kill more in wild. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, we're going to kill deer with crossbow because this one shots them.
We have so many GPS locators at the entertainment bunker.
Wait.
Bro, we have 4 GPS locators at the entertainment bunker that we didn't collect. Do you even understand how many those are? I have 1 stick, 2 sticks, 4 sticks. I have 3 sticks, not 4. Actually, che. Stare. Wait, brother. Brother. Brother.
Tayo bula ma.
Win.
Okay.
Andrei. You buleme. Buleme. Olha, eu não faço.
Tayo bula ma. Bula ma. Why you bula ma? Bula ma.
Buleme. Eu stai. Andrei, cine a aprins lumina? Andrei, tu ai aprins lumina?
Tu hai preso Mario.
N-am aprins-o eu.
Mutant, Mauze.
Mama?
Mario da touch. Ui. Where is the mutant?
Here, next to me.
Where the
Bro, how did I miss that? Reload already.
O să le iau.
Okay, he died. Calm down.
Bro, do mutants drop bombs?
I don't know. But all I know is now we're going to encounter a lot of mutants
Bro,
now.
here are 2 skulls.
Yes, but we can't collect anymore. We can only have 3.
Fuck.
Destroy this. Oh, we probably got bones, I think.
Yes. 2 bombs.
Wait. Let me wait, go.
Oh my god. I had so much
Then we just need 2 more screws. Because we can only
So, we are going to get some deer now or something. There is
this.
some, how do I say, deer poop.
Bro, that island there would be such a great base location, bro.
Do you want to make a base here also?
No. Maybe. When we're better, maybe.
Do you want me to put a GPS locator here so you can remember?
We know it is not right. You know what I learned accidentally? Wait. I need a stick.
You need a tick.
Stick. Look what you can do. Wait. You know how you said we can't make markers? You like put these? You take a GPS locator, here you go. Now you have a marker.
And you... Oh! So if we destroy this shit, it will still be? Yes.
Wait.
Ah, no, it won't.
And then you just equip the GPS and then you just put it on. I learned this accidentally.
Oh, wait.
Okay, we don't need it because we know where it is. You can destroy it.
Yes, but still, bro. Wait, come here. There is something for a blue circle across deer, batteries, radio, love cave, question, exclamation mark. There are some, there are some things that we didn't see on the map still. That we know, you know that we didn't collect anything on this game, everything.
Where?
My God, he cannot be serious. I just told him. Bro, we didn't collect everything in the game. Do you know that?
Oh my god, bro, come here. You know how much aloe vera I see on one spot. Come here, bro. You know how much aloe vera is here, bro.
Why is there so much?
I know, bro.
Bro, remove the radio. You sound weird.
Oh, okay. This better.
Yes. It's better.
Why? Where are the deer?
Wait.
Oh, we're so fast, actually.
Oh, bro, Emo, what is this? Come. Bro, I found something. Come.
Oh, I found this once already. I know.
Wait, I need food.
There's going to be camp here soon.
Wait.
But it's nice that we got some ammo. Like randomly. Wait.
Yeah, bro, but it's just stun gun ammo.
It's something, bro.
I need
It's
one.
better. It's better than nothing.
You kinda have a point there.
Bro, can I heard like
There are some.
girl. Yeah.
There are some monkeys
Wait,
here.
that's a deer or something? Kill it,
There-
kill it. I got it.
No, you didn't. There are so many deer.
Bro. Where?
Here.
I don't see any.
Here are like 5 deers.
Oh,
But I think they run.
bro.
Nah, bro, they run.
Bro, what's this?
I don't know. Canned food, I guess.
Oh, we can't light it. Let's go look there. There's like a big opening here.
Cannibal. God, this motherfucker said. But I guess I did it. Bro, do you know something?
What? There's like cannibals and monkeys here and everything, bro.
Bro, do you
I
know?
mean,
Do you?
I'm trying to survive.
I kind of want to go to the islands that are not like that are connected but not that connected.
What the hell? Why are you dancing, bro? Yeah, no, I don't really want to go there.
Wait, I still want to see what we would have.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, out! Behind you, behind you.
This nigga killing the things. He broke my creepy up. There are so many monkeys.
I know, bro, I'm just saying that there's so many.
I didn't hear you.
Oh wait, I need to reload anyway.
I got his head.
Skin pouch, skin pouch.
Yes, this. Wait, bro, there are so many. I think there is a camp here.
I don't know, bro. But there is a lot of them.
I cut their legs off.
Fuck you. Bro, where are the deer, bro?
In my
Like, where are the deer when you need them? Like, you find so many when you don't need, but you don't find any when you need them.
For real. When we don't need them, there are 10,000 deers.
Let's go down, let's go down. How did I... Bro, I wanted to use the glider, but then it just broke in the middle of the air and then just like... Bro, it stayed... Bro, I need to go back up for my glider. I don't know how I didn't take any damage when I fell.
Bro, so I took the glider off, but it didn't work. I don't know why. I need water.
Watch out, bro, I heard them screaming.
Yes, I'm careful. Why did you go up? Just question.
Bro, I see so many camps from here. I like see two and I'm still climbing. Okay, okay, I'm back.
I know, bro, there are
I
many
see.
camps. I know that there are many camps here. But only thing that I don't see is where I am going because I don't know where.
Watch out, watch out.
Oh yes, he is the one camp. You can just cut the legs off. I cut his legs, that's why. I feel like
He didn't die, he didn't die.
oh, bro,
No climbing.
there are
Bro,
like
stop
holes.
climbing trees.
And what if I cut the tree with him? Ah, you motherfucker, nigger, sticker, digger. And cut off. Cut off. Oh, you running. How did you not die there?
Where? When I fell?
No, cannibal. I was lucky.
I lost 3 KP armor right now, so...
I lost one only.
Yeah, and there like a million of them came.
Bro, I don't know if it's a good idea. We break everything here so they cannot spawn anymore. And we make like a base here because we have not reached the walls. Like this.
Oh, you can break that too? Oh, nice. Okay, let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one.
Where is the next one? Oh, there are many here.
Bro, I cut one's head off, one's arm off. I don't care if this is your camp. We need the loot.
So many creepy armor now.
Oh my god, I got five skin pouches right now. I have 6 skin pouches, I think. Yeah, I have 7, wait.
How do I even have so many skin pouches?
Oh, I'm going to get so much loot now. Nice. I love skin pouches, like you just, it's like a mystery
I have
surprise.
6 skin pouches.
Oh, shotgun ammo.
Drinks, please. Ammo. At least I've got
I opened them all. I have full medication.
I think I have full medication too, but I'm not sure.
Okay, this one was really good, wait.
Crunch is one.
Bro, we still don't find any deer, bro. What is this shit?
I don't know, let's go, let's go.
Yo, what's here? What's here?
I have 3 minutes left. Bro, on this server I have 3 minutes left.
Oh, quickly make a tent then.
Oh,
Oh shit, someone screamed. Watch out.
okay, wait.
Oh shit, they're attacking Calvin.
Nah, bro. Kelvin.
Oh, quickly come, we need to revive Calvin, bro.
They are killing my precious Kelvin.
No, Calvin, run, Calvin. Okay, he's running. Stop running after Calvin, bro. What do they not understand, bro?
Bro, Kelvin almost died. Bro, let's go on the island and maybe there are some things there.
Okay, bro.
We make a tent and then
Okay, I revive Calvin. Bro, like I heard screaming, then I looked over at Calvin, I just saw how they were attacking him, I almost like crashed out.
Bro. So we
Why do you want to go on the islands, bro?
why not? We go with the big one first and we go at the second one.
Okay, I guess, but
But we need to
Well-
make it quick because I need to switch servers.
yes, okay, make it quick. Let me save.
Save. No plunge, altul plunge.
Calvin, I love him.
Yes.
We
yeah.
cannot afford to lose Calvin. Okay, I saved. You can go.
Okay. Bye guys. This was episode, I don't know.
What do you mean? We're going to do the rest of it.
Yes, but this was episode 27, okay?
Okay.
Bye bye guys.